This repair video for the P2227 error code is specifically tailored for Volkswagen drivers. If your Volkswagen is showing up P2227 code, this is for you. This means that the engine control module, ECM, has detected an incorrect or unreliable reading from the barometric pressure sensor A or its circuits. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these 10 possible faults in your car. A faulty barometric air pressure, BAP sensor. A faulty mass airflow, MAF sensor. A faulty engine control module, ECM. A short or open condition in the baro sensor circuit. A sticking idle air control valve. A clogged intake inlet. A faulty throttle position sensor, TPS. A malfunctioning electrical connector. Inoperative wiring. Heat damage. Here are 3 simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. MAF sensor. Carefully remove the mass sensor from your car and do a quick inspection around wire. Inside often gets dirty and needs to be cleaned. You can spray the MAF sensor cleaner onto the wire perpendicularly to the ground so that it won't damage the MAF sensor. Reinstall the MAF sensor back in the car after it gets dry. PCM replacement. The PCM is usually located in the engine bay, under the dash or near the firewall, usually mounted with bolts or clips and connected to a wiring harness. Unplug the wiring harness carefully. There may be clips or levers on the connector. Remove any bolts or brackets holding the PCM in place. Take out the old PCM. Install the new PCM in the reverse order. Plug in the wiring harness securely. Secure it with bolts or brackets. Method 1. Use a catalytic converter cleaner. Use a cleaner of your choice. Simply pour the cleaner into the gas tank. Then, you can drive at least 150 miles. This code can appear in various vehicle models across multiple manufacturers, including Ford, Volkswagen, Audi, Chevy, Mazda, Acura, BMW, Isuzu, GMC, etc. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.